and cheese.
Hello, my name is Jamil Alian.
Making mac and cheese is super simple. All you need is the noodles of your choice, your favorite cheese, milk, butter, and flour. I start with boiling water in one pot and starting a roux. The roux is going to help you with reheating your mac and cheese the next day. Simply heat up some butter on medium heat and stir in some flour. Once your roux is thickened, add milk until it's starting to boil. This is a good time to grate your cheese and add it if you haven't done so already. Once the noodles are cooked to your liking, drain and set aside. Once you're done stirring, add your pasta to the sauce mixture and stir and serve.